How to fix Facebook login problem. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do, open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do is wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Facebook, and then click on it like this. Click here on this force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again, click on the power usage details. Click down here on this force stop as you can see. Now what you want to do next is go back into the settings on your phone. Go to the top here, you will find the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.